Barrington Levy said. Barrington Levy said.
I'll never be a winner, no. I've got to be a winner, man. Oh, don't push me. From the day I was born, I've never been a winner. From the day I was born, I've never been a winner. When all my friends winning and laughing at me sit down one side reading my Bible and thinking all over again. What you gonna make me be a winner? And when I've been a winner, no one can stop me now. But try no little thing, you can stop me again. Today for you, tomorrow for me. So think of me, man, the whole love of me. From the day I was born, I've never been a winner. When all my friends winging and laughing at me, and me sit down one side reading my Bible. One day Jah gonna make me to be a winner. And when I stop my friend, no one can stop me now. I've got to be a winner. 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 From the day I was born, I'll never be a winner. No, don't laugh at me. When I make it to the top, gonna sing and come. Looking another love song. When I was down and out, you laugh at me. From the day I was born, I'll never be a winner. From the day I was born, I'll never be a winner. That you're gonna make me.
Barrington Levy said. Barrington Levy said.
From the day I was born, I've never been a winner. From the day I was born, I've never been a winner. When all my friends winning and laughing at me sit down one side reading my Bible.